We've today filed a constitutional petition for Dr. Kizza Besigye and Obedi Lutale. It's constitutional petition number 4 of 2025. We are seeking for a number of declaratory orders from the Constitutional Court on the propriety and the legality of the proceedings before the General Court. First of all, those proceedings and the criminal charges are rooted in violation of rights. The extradition process, which was never done in accordance with the law, because it was just rendition, repatriation without following the due process, without any competent court or court issuing an order in Kenya, and without also following the Extradition Act of Kenya and Uganda. That's unconstitutional. In a nutshell, it was an abduction. Proceedings, criminal charges anchored on abduction are a nullity from the word go. So that is a serious matter. We want the Constitutional Court to pronounce itself on. The other issue is about the propriety of the proceedings before the General Court March, because it's allocating itself extraterritorial jurisdiction to handle cases which are alleged to have been committed in Greece, in Switzerland, and in Kenya. The other thing is about cases which are ordinarily handled by civil courts or civilian courts. Being in possession of a firearm, the General Court March has no jurisdiction over the same. It's also the contention of the petitioners that that court is not a court of competent record. It's a tribunal. It's a disciplinary committee of the military, of the serving officers of the UPDF. And therefore, civilians who are not subject to martial law shouldn't be tried by a disciplinary committee. We want to emphasize that point, and also the fact that that is not an impartial court of competent jurisdiction. Their impartiality is in question because they are subservient to the High Command and also subject or amenable to orders of the High Command, which compromises their independence. One of the facts we have highlighted here is the threat issued by General Muhoozi that by 9th of June, Dr. Besigye will have been executed. Actually, he said on 9th June, that is Heroes Day, Dr. Besigye is going to be hanged in Iguru, and that the tree is already identified where he's going to be tied and subjected or put to the firing squad. Meaning, actually, the trial going on is a sham. It's just a perfunctory process awaiting just the final decision already taken by General Muhoozi and the powers that be that Dr. Besigye should be executed. All the proceedings, including the pre-trial processes, that is the detention at the at the military facility in Machinde, all violate the Constitution. They are a transgression of the provisions of the Constitution, and in a nutshell, that what is happening